Welcome to my video channel, and I'm gonna use my slime for today. So yeah, let's go try it. Here's my slime. Take a very soft. Wait, I'm gonna see the stretch. Wait. Where is soft? Don't mind that I have this one in my hand, but let's see. Very hard to do like this. And please subscribe and like to my channel. And sorry for not working. And guys, my name in Roblox is it's me Chloe, I think 0099. I don't know, but you need to just search up it's me. So I just look at that pinky pink. So y'all, here's the slime. So this is my the slime name is Unicorn Slime. And here is strawberry I added. And this thing. So yeah, that's all, and bye guys, and I'm gonna show you more videos. So bye, love you all guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.